Welcome to Modern Bike Cycling. Bicycle home maintenance. Bicycle home maintenance is an important part of owning a bike. Regular maintenance will help keep your bike running smoothly and safely. Here are some tips for basic bicycle home maintenance. 1. Clean your bike regularly. Use a soft cloth and mild soap to wipe down your bike frame, wheels, and components. 2. Check your tires for wear and tear. Make sure the tread is still good and that the tires are properly inflated. 3. Lubricate your chain and other moving parts. Use a light oil or lubricant to keep your bike running smoothly. 4. Check your brakes. Make sure the pads are in good condition and that the brakes are working properly. 5. Inspect your bike for any loose or broken parts. Tighten any loose bolts and replace any broken parts. 6. Check your bike's alignment. Make sure the handlebars, seat, and wheels are all in line. 7. Test ride your bike. Make sure everything is working properly before you take it out for a ride. By following these tips, you can keep your bike in good condition and ensure that it is safe to ride.